In the next few minutes, I'll be showing you how to create TikTok pixel and install it on your WordPress website. So you can track all your sales events, your leads event, as well as optimize your website ads for sales or for lead generation, respectively. The first step is to log into your TikTok Business Center. To do this, go to your Chrome, type ads.tiktok.com. It's going to bring you to this interface where you select your business accounts, your business center. Next is to come to this assets, click it. Then come here and click add a pixel. Click create new pixel and click next. At this stage, I'm going to verify my identity and I'm going to be doing that with email option instead. I have verified my identity. Next is to paste my website URL or landing page or sales page URL here. Okay, invalid URL. Okay, let's remove this HTTP. Um, good, good. So next, at this stage, you select manual setup and click next. Select TikTok pixel and click next. Then name your pixel. So we're going to call this July data. Click create. Here is the pixel code. I'm just going to copy it and then log into the backend of my WordPress website to install it. I have already logged into the backend. I'm going to go to plugins and click add plugin. Next is to search WP code. Here is the WP code and as you can see it's already active. In yours you might be seeing install now. Click it and then after activate it if yours is not active. Once you are done, come back to this side, select code snippet and then look for header and footer, click it. Now scroll down to the header or the footer of the WP code. Okay, you can see that the header and the footer already have pixels installed. So what do we do? You can go to any of them and move it backwards. Move it backwards and then install a new pixel. Install a new pixel. Have you seen it? See the old one, see the new one. You can see the way I moved it backwards. It will still work perfectly well, alright? Once you are done, click save changes and that's all about creating your TikTok pixel and installing it on your WordPress website. Once you are done installing your TikTok pixel on your WordPress website, the next thing is to come back to this events manager, click next. Toggle on this enable automatic advanced matching. Please toggle it on, ensure it's toggled on. Click next. This will take us to the next phase of this tracking setup, which is creating your custom conversions or your conversion events. These custom conversions or conversion events includes your lead, purchase, initiate checkout, add to cart, view content or landing page view and the rest. In our TikTok ads course, we have explained every single thing in detail. Everything about your tracking, pixel creation and installation on WordPress websites, system.io, the conversion event setup, how to set up profitable TikTok ads, to sell your website products, to generate leads, to do so many things. The enrollment URL is in the comment section and the description of this video. Once you enroll, you're going to start learning everything about TikTok ads from account creation, business account setup, everything, your tracking, the advert setup, and every single thing you need to know to run profitable TikTok ads, to promote your business, to sell out your products massively. Go to the comment section right now or the description, click the link and enroll right now and start learning.